Good afternoon, Shakshi Saha. Good afternoon, Chaitanya Bayas. Good afternoon, Narayan Pandey. So, good afternoon to all of you. Yesterday we studied about flood. Today we are going to study about the next natural disaster, that is drought. Drought. What do we call drought in Hindi? In Hindi we call it as a sukha. We will find wherever there is deficiency of rainfall, where we will find at that time that area suffer from drought. When there is less rainfall or an area doesn't receive rain for a long time, if an area does not receive rain for a long time, what will happen? Drought. Okay, conditions will be there. Plants there will not get water. Animals there will not get water. And I already told you that if water is not there, crops are not there. If crops are not there, then all the people they will suffer from scarcity of water as well as crop, as well as food. Okay, I already told you that man can live without food for many days, but without water, not even for a week. Okay, so it is the condition. What is the condition that we will find the particular area doesn't receive rain for long time, and if that area doesn't receive rain for long time, there is the scarcity of water in that area. So such condition it is known as drought. Now in drought we will find when there is no we will find water for the crops, there will be scarcity of fodder as well as food. Fodder for animals, scarcity of fodder for animal and food for human beings. Okay, so we will find it is the condition, we will find it is the condition when an area suffers severe water scarcity. Now, in case of flood, yesterday we have seen that if an area receives heavy rainfall, that is also very bad. With the flow of the water, what will happen? All the crops, all whatever will come in the way of water, that will get destroyed, isn't it? But in here, in drought condition, it is exactly opposite of flood condition. Here there is no rainfall for long period of time. And when there is no rainfall for long period of time, underground water level goes down and we will find there is no water, surface water, all the sources of surface water like river, lakes, ponds, they get dried and there is no water in that area for drinking, for any purpose, for cooking, for washing, for bathing, isn't it? Water is very important natural resource and that is not there in that area. Such conditions when occur, we call it as a drought. Okay, and naturally when there is no water, then there will be, that animals they die of thirst. Then human beings also will suffer water scarcity. There will be no proper crop production, or we will find that area, we will find no plants will be there. So we will find there will be serious scarcity of food as well as water. And people they die and animals also will die of hunger and thirst. Okay, so drought is just opposite of flood. Yesterday we have seen regarding flood that it is the condition when there is heavy rainfall. Okay, so everything, every natural resource, I already told you that Excess of everything is bad. So every natural resource should be there in proper quantity, isn't it? Whether it may be water or whether it may be any natural resource, if it is in excess or if it is not at all there, both the problem, both in both ways problems are created. If it is excess, we will find water is excess, we will find that there is flood. But at the same time, if there is no water for long time, then there is drought. Okay, so it is just opposite of flood. In these conditions, we will find there is no food because no crop production is there because all plants for their growth they need water. Okay, and when there is no food, no fodder for animals, plants, they die of thirst as well as hunger. Isn't it? So, such condition we will call it as a drought. Then, one of the important use of water is photosynthesis. That is, the plants prepare food in the process of photosynthesis. One by one, give answer. What are the raw material required for the photosynthesis in these leaves? Give answer. For the process of photosynthesis, name the raw material required. Photosynthesis. Name the raw material required for the process of photosynthesis. Give answer. Janvi Bhendarkar, Shardul Bhatkar, Yatharth, Bidwai. Raw material. I am telling about raw material required for the process of photosynthesis. Raw material required for the process of photosynthesis. What raw material? Give the answer. Kalapati, Santosh, raw material, raw material. For this process of photosynthesis, what raw material it requires? Give answer. Water. Very good. Elias has given very correct answer. One of the raw material is water. So water is very much required not only by human beings, other animals, but also by plants. Along with the water, what is the another raw material? What is the another raw material? Along with the water it requires. Along with the water, another raw material for the process of photosynthesis. Yes, Elias, Abhishek, Janvi, Kalapati, Sakshi, Shardul, Yatharth, carbon dioxide. Abhishek gave very correct answer. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus water, these are the raw material. What is this opening known as? What is this opening through which the carbon dioxide enters? What do we call that? The opening through which carbon dioxide enters water, enters leaf. Sorry. What do we call that? Opening, yes, Elias gave very correct answer. Very good, beta. That is called stomata. Most of the stomata are on which part of the leaf? Upper or lower? Upper or lower part? Lower side of leaf. Most of the stomata will be present in upper or lower side of the leaf. Where are they present? Upper or lower? Stomata. Most of the stomata, where are they present? Upper or lower side of the leaf? Yes, Yatharth? Janvi? No, not upper. Most of the stomata, it is present on the lower side. This upper side is wrong. It is present on the lower side of the leaf. Okay, then we will find this leaf is also known as dash of plant. Leaf is also known as dash of plant. Leaf is also known as dash of plant. Kitchen. Janvi gave very correct answer. Very good, beta. Kitchen of plant. It is also known as kitchen of plant. What is meaning of the word photo? 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 Very good. Ella is the very correct answer. Very nice, beta. Right. And what is meaning of the word synthesis? 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 Synthesis. Photo means slice and synthesis means putting together. Put together. Very good. What they put together? They put together carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So for that they need energy. This energy is trapped. Which energy? Solar energy. Now this energy is trapped by which component of the leaf? This energy is trapped by which component of the leaf? Which component of the leaf is trapping energy for this photosynthesis? Yes, Elias gave very correct answer. Very good, beta. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, it traps the solar energy and carbon dioxide and water. They combine in chlorophyll. They trap solar energy, sunlight for the process. What is prepared? What is prepared? What is prepared? What is prepared in this process? Abhishek, Janvi, Kalapati, Shardul, give answer. Carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light put together. So, what is prepared? Yes. Abhishek gave answer correct, food, and Elias gave answer oxygen, that is glucose and oxygen. Okay. So this is the process of photosynthesis. For this process, water is very much required, which is absorbed by the root, carried to the stem, from stem to the leaves. So water is also very much required for the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the only process in which food is prepared and oxygen is given out. So for very important process, that is photosynthesis, also we will find water is very much required, which is the only process in this world on the earth which prepare food, and the only process which give out oxygen in the air. The most important process that is carried out by the plants, photosynthesis. This process also requires water. So you can understand the importance of water. Okay. So thank you very much. I will stop here. So tomorrow we will discuss. Now your maths period is there.